Hello and welcome to another video on Minecraft. This is Minecraft. I'm kidding. This is definitely not Minecraft. As you can see, this is Scratch.com. I've recently gotten into Scratch.com and stuff. I've made one game that was trash. It was just a ping pong game, but I mean for my first game, not so bad. Today we're going to be making like a survivor type game. And I'll walk you through on how to make it because I'm the trustworthy person. First, we're going to want like a player. Obviously, we want a player. Now, I'm going to make it look about the same, about as pale as I am. All right, so now that we got it, I'm kidding. I mean, I don't know what human skin looks like. Sorry, I died for a second, but I don't know. I mean, what kind of human skin? Maybe we should add an option. But for now, we'll just make it red. Your skin will just be red. It's fine. All right, now we're gonna want a player. This is you, okay? As you can see, I'm great at making games in Scratch.com. This will be player. Now, for the player. When this thing is clicked. Actually, no. Okay, first we're going to need the keys pressed. This will be when the... Okay. First, let's put all our sprites in. I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. Then we're going to want kind of like a background type thing. And we're not going to want to use a backdrop, and you'll see why in a second. I mean, I could use a backdrop, but I'm not good at it, so. Boom! Wow, okay, there we go. I'm going to bring this to front. So, okay, that'll be one of the codes, is bringing the player to the front. First, we actually want to hide this to size the player because the player's kind of big and I want the player to be smaller. Like this small should be good. So the player will spawn around here. Sprite 1, okay. Should be good. Oh, it spawns in front now, okay. So Sprite 1 will actually have multiple. This will be spawn, and then we're going to want paint. Yeah, we're going to want another one. We're actually going to want to duplicate this. Spawn 2 will be the first area. So the first area will have trees. Everyone likes trees. But that's going to be a separate sprite and you'll see why soon. Now, let me just check everything. All right, player. So now our player needs to... Well, actually, first we got to get another tree. This will be a very black tree because trees are usually black. I don't know. Just the color for trees, I guess. Now we can make it as big as we want at first because we're definitely resizing it. Like this. Okay, bloop, 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 bloop. Alright, this should be fine. Now we're gonna actually want to do this, and then maybe like this. That looks much better. Yeah, as you can see. It looks so much better. Anyway, now that we have our exceptional tree, we're going to want to resize our tree to like a bit bigger than our player. like this big. This should be fine. Now this one will be a tree, but okay. So this will be, the player can collide with the tree, and that is why that I just did that instead of having, because the player can collide with it. So yeah, that's why. That's why it needs to be a separate thing. I actually want to yeet and delete. So now it's only that big. Okay. Now we want to go to a code. In the tree, actually the player will do first. So the player, events when bloop clicked. We're going to want to forever forever sorry, I'm being quiet because I need a way to check what the Y thing is. The YXZ type thing is. Here we go. If Y position, wait, no, okay, we gotta get, yeah, no, that's X position, which is still what I need. Is less than, wait, no, is equal to negative 350. Then broadcast. I'm gonna run to broadcast. Next screen. In the outside. Oh wait, and then motion. Set X to, oops. Alright, there we go. So this is where we want it to appear. 132. Wait. 250. I'll set it to 250. Set X to 250. So this will make it so that whenever we go over here, it'll broadcast next screen and put us over there. So right now there's no movement, which is the next thing we need to work on. We can do when the key is pressed. Now we actually need 4 movements for up and down and all that. The door just creaked because a cat went in my room. I like cats. I have 3. It's a lot of cats. I mean, look at my channel name. Have you I might like cats. And we want to change Y in this stuff, because or else it'll like go upside down, and that's just weird. Left would be this way, which, yeah, we want that to be less, actually. Movement should be done. Okay, I gotta switch around down and up. Okay, movement should be done. Yep. Movement is done. Yay, movement. We like moving. Yay. Now I want to do this. Alright. So now if we go over here, one second. Oh god, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong this time? Oh, the X is just different. Okay. Yeah, okay, so look. If we go over here, then it teleports us around, and we can't go. Now we're gonna need one for backwards. So we need to duplicate. Yeet that here. Manipulate if Y position equals 270. Broadcast last screen. Wait, can I rename this? How do I? Okay, whatever. It's fine. Broadcast last screen. Oh, sorry. I'm yawning so much. I don't understand. Set Y to minus 200. So now I go over here. So now I have a loop. Okay, this is good. Maybe I should create Pac-Man. That would probably be harder than this project, but alright, so now the outside will be the thing doing the next and last screen. If we go to events, and then if I receive, then the receivers, next screen, we can go to looks, and then the costumes. So the switch costumes will be what we need. But what I'm wondering is if we can do one of these. Like, we can. So we switch costume to, wait, actually we need a minus there for the last screen. Switch costume to costume. I don't know how to. Okay, switch costume to costume number. Costume minus 1 plus 1. We'll do some kind of distinctiveness, like bloop. Alright, so now if I do this, oh, it doesn't work. Why does neither of the things work? Why does neither of them work? Oh, because this wasn't clicked. Okay, then boom. Then boom. And that just disappears because it loops. So then we need to do an if-else state. So if the no, I need to see if the other costume is. Because if I check what the other costume is, then it won't loop, and I need it to not loop. Because that would be weird. Actually, no, I have a better idea. I can just create a wall. No, because then it would be a separate thing, and I don't want to do. If it can loop. I don't care enough to. Maybe later if I care enough, but I don't at the moment. So clean up blocks. Okay, there we go. So now it just loops. Blah, 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 blah. Boom. Now, for the trees. Bloop. Bring to front. Go to front layer. Now, on the screen outside. Actually, no, just it went, okay. Then it will forever wait 5 seconds. Wait, no. 5 is fine. For now, create clone of myself. When I start as clone, show. So now, whenever it starts the game, if we wait a few seconds, if we wait 5 seconds, then one of these appears. And yeah, it appears. Bloop. Into existence. Now we're going to actually go to outside and then costumes. And this can be like a puddle type thing. Oh no, undo. Okay. This can go like here. It will be blue. It's fine. Okay. Boom, code, okay. Now for the tree, we actually want it to, when it starts as a clone, go to a random position. So it doesn't, because it was just stacking there the whole time. So this puddle, we don't want it. Okay, and now we're going to be creating the collision. So it will be in sense, wait, okay. Bloop, bloop. Forever. Yeah, they'll just keep spawning forever. So we're going to stop that before it gets out of hand. Forever, and then sensing, touching the... Oh, wait, no. The puddle needs to be another... the puddle needs to be a whole different asset. So we're just going to want to delete this. Okay. Create... Paint. This will be puddle. Create the puddle. Bloop, bloop. It's fine. Alright, now the puddle. For the player in the code, we're going to do if touching puddle, then turn 180, move 10 steps, and duplicate. I thought this, okay. So now it'll just not allow me to go into the puddle. It'll just be like, no. You're actually going to want to duplicate all of this and do it for the tree. So now the puddle won't let me go into it, which is probably good. And the tree will also not let me go into it. It'll just be like, no, don't go into me. I guess that kind of glitches if I do it here, which is fine. But yeah, it kind of glitches. I don't care enough to fix that though. Wait, wait. What just happened? Oh no, I've stuck to myself. I think it's because I did turn that way 180 degrees instead of just doing point in direction. That's funny. I just glide through the. I'm like, no, I'm at it. I'm just out of here. Point in direction. No, because we need it to be turning around, so I can't do that. I need to just be teleporting. Poof. Point in direction. I probably could do it some fancy way, but I don't feel like it. 80. This is fine. It's just a it's a intentional bug. It's a feature. It's a feature. Okay, teleporting. Now the trees. We're gonna do when this sprite clicked. Then we're gonna do variables. Make available this or make a variable. This will be wood. So the wood count. So the wood count will go up. Set wood to a +1, and then we're gonna want to go to delete this clone. So this should work. So I'm walking around, got my puddle got my puddle. I click this clone and I get wood. So now we're gonna want it so that when bloop clicked, we're gonna want to set wood to 0 so it restarts. So yeah, why can't I go here? Oh, it's because the puddle's here. I need to bloop. Alright, there we go. So the stuff will start spawning. Alright, if I click it, it disappears. So now, here's the hard part. Now we're gonna need a wood block. So we're gonna need kind of another brown, this is fine. Not gonna have a detailed wood block for now. Actually, we can do some details like bloop. Sorry, I'm being quiet. I'm just focused in detailing my wood block. This is fine for now. It's just half of it is detailed now. It's fine. It's fine. So the wood block will be pretty small, but it should be about this size. So now, sprite 1 will be disappeared. This will be wood block. So the outside is finally getting more code than just this. It will be when this sprite clicked. Gonna want sensing. Oh wait, we're gonna need, okay, operators, variables. Make available, this will be wood placement. Wood placement. Set wood placement to is there an and? Yeah, there is. This should be fine. Oh, yeah, you can place it in there too. To mouse X. Oh, I can't place it in there. Oh, okay. So I guess I can't do that. Wood placement. We're gonna just need another variable. Wood placement 1. Wood placement 2. Oh god, that's a lot of trees. Wait, okay, and then we're gonna want forever. Is there a way to see how many clones there are? Forever. Make a variable with tree clones. To bloop tree clones plus 1 if tree if tree clones equals, oh god, no, I need that back. Come back here. If tree clones equals 10, then delete this clone. So that'll just make it that it can't spawn anymore. So like, oh god, where's my character? Oh, it's just over here. So there shouldn't be more than 10 trees at once. When the sprite clicked, oh wait, I forgot to add that, okay. Oh no! I just needed the top of it. Actually, I can't even use this. I need this, but not this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should be able to spawn one more. Oh, and yep, they all disappear. Which is good. Want to set the tree clones to... Actually, I want to see how many tree clones there are. Yeah, it should be good. Oh, wait. Okay, this should be good. Oh, no, wait. I also need... Okay, there we go. This should be fine. This is just for testing purposes. I will remove this after. Where's the tree? It's just not there anymore. Yeah, this is fine. This is just testing, by the way. Anyway, we're gonna want outside set wood placement 2 to mouse Y. We're gonna want to broadcast place wood. When I receive place wood, create clone of myself. Can you choose? Oh wait, okay, create clone of myself. When I start as clone. Those are only 4 tree clones. That's not good. Oh god. This is fine. Trees should be spawning. When I start as clone, we're gonna want... I don't know how long this video is. This video for now, 32 minutes. We're gonna have to do a part 2. If you want a part 2, then like the video. There's polluted air. You can't see that, but on my bottom bar it says polluted air. Interesting. First, we're gonna just finish this. So, when I start as clone, we're gonna want to go to X. Wood placement. Wait, which is the word placement? 1 is X. X, Y. So right now, if I get a few woods, okay, start. Okay, 1 tree. Once 1 tree spawns, okay, bloop. Oh wait, I gotta set it to visible. Right now it doesn't need wood, but yeah, it's not placing. It's just deleting everything because of the way that I have it, I think. We can change this later. It's gonna be fine. It'll be all fine. It'll be all fine. Let's just end the video. Please subscribe if you want like another part to this where I fix that whatever was happening. Please subscribe and I will give you 2 cents and fixing it. And like the video. Do like the video. Please like the video. And check my other videos because one isn't doing as good as I thought, and I'm confused why. Yeah, because like the part 2, one of them that's like the same video got way more and is still getting more views, so I'm just confused on that. But I'm not rambling on about that today. Goodbye. Please subscribe. Please check out my other channels and subscribe to them. And goodbye.